If you want the absolute easiest way to start making money with AI in 2026, no coding, no tech skills, and no complicated setup, I am about to show you a side hustle that beginners are using to make $500 to $1,000 plus per month. This method uses ChatGPT and take less than 30 minutes to set up. And you can start getting clients within the first week. By the end of this video, you will know exactly what the side hustle is, how to do it, and where to find clients who will pay you. Let's get right into it. If you are new to my channel, my name is Vanity. I talk about real ways to make money online and build passive income using what you already have so you can create more freedom in your life. Just so you will know, this method works worldwide. You can do this from anywhere as long as you have internet access. All right, let me show you what this is. So the easiest AI side hustle for beginners in 2026, writing for small businesses. Here's how it works. You use ChatGPT to help small businesses create content they desperately need but don't have time to write themselves or go back and forth with ChatGPT all day. Here's some content that you can write. Blog posts for their website, social media captions for Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, email newsletters, product descriptions, and website copy. You are not just copying and pasting what ChatGPT gives you. They're already doing the hard work for you, so you still got to put in some time to review it and go over what ChatGPT gives you. So you are basically using ChatGPT. Then you will edit it to make it sound natural, accurate, and on brand for the business. Why this is the easiest AI side hustle. No coding is required. No design skill is needed. ChatGPT does most of the heavy lifting. Small businesses are desperate for the service, and you can start today with zero experience. Let's talk about realistic income. According to 2026 data, beginners doing AI-powered content services often earns $500 to $1,000 per month. Here's how the pricing works. Blog posts, $50 to $150 per post. Social media captions, this can be 10 posts for $100 to $200. Email newsletter, $75 to $200. Product description, this can be 10 items for $50 to $100. And this scales. If you are finding this helpful so far or even learn anything new, do me a favor and hit the like button and subscribe. I post videos like this every week showing real strategies to make money online. And watching all the way through really helps YouTube shows this to more people who need it. All right, let's keep going. Let me walk you through the exact process. Step 1, sign up for ChatGPT. Go to ChatGPT and create a free account if you do not have an account already. The free version of ChatGPT is more than enough to start making money. The second step I want you to do is start practicing writing with ChatGPT before you reach out to clients, so you will know how to get good results. Here is an example prompt that you can use to practice with. Write a 500-word blog post for a local coffee shop about 5 benefits of drinking coffee in the morning. Use a friendly conversational tone. Include an introduction. 5 benefits with explanation. ChatGPT will generate a full blog post. Your job is to read through it, fix any awkward phrasing, add personality or specific details about the business, and make sure it's accurate. This is an extra step you can do. It is optional, and that is to use QuillBot to polish it. After ChatGPT creates your content, you can run it through QuillBot. I will leave the link in the description below. You can run it through QuillBot to rewrite sentences to sound more natural, avoid repetitive phrasing, and make it sound less AI generated. QuillBot do offer a free version, so you can definitely use it. Just paste your ChatGPT text into QuillBot and it will give you a more polished version. Then you will edit it one final time to make it perfect. This extra step makes your content feel more human and professional, which means clients will love your work and will hire you again. Because a lot of people, they're only using ChatGPT and they just copying what ChatGPT is giving them and just pasting it. So you would definitely stand out by doing these extra steps. The third step is find your first client. I will show you exactly where to find clients in the next section. But for now, you just need to know that you are going to be reaching out to small businesses who need content. The last step is you are going to deliver the work. Use ChatGPT to create the first draft, edit it to make it high quality, and send it to your client. Most clients will give you feedback. Then you will make quick edits and boom, you get paid. Now let me show you exactly where to find clients. The first option is freelance platforms. Search content writer or blog writer on Upwork and create a gig on Fiverr. Apply to writing jobs. Start with lower rates, $30 to $50 per post, to get your first few clients and reviews. Once you have 5 through 10 positive reviews, increase your rates. The second option is direct outreach to local businesses. Find small businesses in your area or online. Look for coffee shops with no blog, gyms with inactive social media, local retail stores, and service businesses. That's like plumber, electricians, etc. Send them a simple DM or email. Hi, I noticed your business doesn't have a blog, active social media. I am a content writer and I'll love to help you attract more customers with helpful content. Would you be open to a quick chat? The third option is Facebook groups. Join Facebook groups for small business owners, entrepreneurs, and local businesses networking. Offer free value first, like 5 tips for a better social media post. Then mention you offer content writing services. Here are a few tips to maximize your income. The first tip is offer package deals. Instead of charging per piece, offer monthly packages. This creates recurring income and clients love the simplicity. Tip 2 is specialize in one niche. Instead of being a general content writer, specialize in one industry. Specialists can charge 30 to 50% more than generalists. The third tip is use AI tools beyond ChatGPT. Combine ChatGPT with Canva, Grammarly, or QuillBot for editing, Jasper or Copy AI for more specialized content. The more value you can provide, the more you can charge. Tip 4, don't just copy and paste ChatGPT output. The last tip is start today. The biggest mistakes beginners make is waiting to feel ready. You don't need to be perfect, you just need to start. All right, so that's the easiest AI side hustle for beginners in 2026. Use ChatGPT to create content for small businesses. Charge $500 to $1,000 plus per month per client and build recurring income. No coding, no tech skills, just ChatGPT and your willingness to learn. Start today, apply to a few jobs, send a few DMs and see what happens. But if you want to see another way to make money from home, you need to watch this video next. That video shows you how to work as a virtual assistant for real estate agents and make full-time income from home. Click that video next and I'll meet you there.